Viacom Archegos Rebound. Is it time? Who knows? But anyway, it's April 6th, 2021, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today, everybody. Today we're looking at doing a short put in Viacom CBS, which has nice liquidity and will be in the monthlies. It has an IV rank of 33, which doesn't seem like it's high, but Viacom has had 9 bearish red, if that's your color, candles, all right, in a row. So we're getting near where we've seen some previous resistance, which they say, if you're a technical analyst, previous resistance can become new support. We're getting near that. I'm not 100% convinced that we're there yet, but some indicators show that it's under or oversold right now. Underbought, oversold. There you go. And it's time to be bullish on it. I can see that's very contrarian. I do my tasty trade spidey senses are going off for that one. But we have seen some things like that. I think, what was it? XL was kind of looking like a chart like this. XL Fleet. I did a video on that one. I wonder if that's worked out well for you. It didn't work out so hot for me. Some of these EV stocks are kicking my butt. Anyway, let's get into this, huh? Sorry, I just babble on. Hi, my name's Neil. This is Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining us. I do appreciate all your views and that you're here with me today. On screen here, you can see that we're looking at Viacom's chart, and these are the 9 candles, these red candles. Let's just go here and zoom in on that. These are the candles I was talking about. So, ouch, right? If you were long Viacom there, that would be a bad few days for you guys. So I hope that's not you. I hope you didn't get hit by that bus. So let's see if now is the time. And of course, by the way, we are inside of Thinkorswim. We are using its simulated trading because that's what we do here. Stick around to the end and I'll give you my little pitch on how you can join us. No strings attached, no money involved. I'm not asking you to buy anything. Just hoping you'll join me in this journey where we begin to practice our mechanics. All right. So let's go over here to the Analyze tab. Let's go to the Add Simulated Trade. And we're going to be looking at Viacom, of course. So make sure this is in your box right here, your ticker box. And we're going to be in the May monthlies, which as of today is in the Tasty Trade sweet spot of 45 days to expiration. The May monthlies, May 21. We're going to be looking at the puts. I have the strikes set to all. Yours may be a different number here, but I want to show me all the strikes. And we're going to be over here at the 35, roughly 17 delta, which is nice. Again, very close to the Tasty Trade sweet spot of selling a 16 delta naked option. So I know that the idea of naked is not attractive to some because there's high risk in this one and usually not a big reward potential. But remember the trade-off, okay? There's going to be a 34% probability of touch, according to just eyeballing it with the deltas, all right? And 80%, let's call it, probability of profit. That's pretty good. That's just eyeballing it, though. So let's take a look at our probabilities. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to look at the, what is this? There's a 4 cent difference. So let's go up. Let's call this a 95 cent credit. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on the bid. I'm going to penny that up to 95 cents because that would be a mid price. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you see here, we have one contract here because we've changed our order defaults because we follow the Tasty Trade approach of trade small. And I think we're doing it pretty often. We do these trades 4 days a week, cherry bomb trades from Tasty Trade, and we do some of my own trades. Or if you'd like, please suggest some underlyings in a comment or head on over to optiontheory.com/contact. You can send me an email, and I'd love to hear your suggestions or underlyings that you'd like to see traded on Mondays. But anyway, let's go ahead, right-click this. No, I don't want to right-click that. We're not at the confirm and send phase yet. Duh. We're going to go here to the risk profile and take a look at our probabilities here. So make sure the date in the top right corner matches the turquoise date in the bottom left corner. So that should be 5/22. We're going to go to May 22nd. There we are. And I also want my expected move, which is this light gray area, to be close to my left edge. And then I'm going to drag on the x-axis till I see the right edge of that light gray area. There it is. That's just a personal preference. I like to be able to see where the expected move begins and ends. And I want one gold price slice. I'll call that my goalpost. And I want to see it placed exactly where this red line is. So I'm going to do that by clicking here and choosing set slices to break even at expiration. And here we are looking at a 75, according to this one, a 75% probability of ending up at expiration on or to the right of this gold line. We'll call that a probability of profit. I know it's not exactly profit, right? Because, hey, we'd be paying commissions potentially, but 75%. And if you look at the Tastyworks, if you have access to Tastyworks as well, you'll see that they give you a P50, the ability to get 50% of your maximum profit in the next days to expiration, right, which is 45. That is like 90% according to their platform. So 90% probability of us being able to take, let's call it $45. It's a little more than that. We'll just round it, make it easy. $45. Okay, you can round it to 50 if you want, in the next 45 days. I like 45 and 45. So that sounds pretty good to me. High probability. That's what you get. You get to, instead of having unlimited profit potential, your trade-off is you have a very good chance of being able to take the money and run well within the next 45 days. And we'd look to manage this at 50% of maximum profit, or we would roll it at 21 days to expiration. Either way, great opportunity to use simulated trading to practice your mechanics. Maybe you don't feel comfortable putting this on in your real dollar portfolio, right? Your real deal portfolio, but you'd like to have the opportunity to practice this. And that's what we do here. So before I get into my spiel, I do need to do a couple things. I'm going to right click this trade, hit confirm and send. See here, max profit, max loss. There we are. I know that doesn't seem attractive to someone. If you want to fly off some of that risk by buying making this a vertical, buying some protection, I think it's $2.50 wide at this point. So you can go ahead and do that if you'd like. But I want to leave this as a naked put because I don't mind potentially being long a few shares and selling some calls if we need to. But with that said, I'm going to say you've made it to the end of just this trade. So thumbs up to you. If you're leaving now, bye. But it was nice having you. If you're sticking around because you're interested in joining us, it's okay. It's good. It's 2 simple steps. Step 1, head down to the description. Tasty Trade has several email lists that you can sign up for. They changed their link. I've got the new link here through the month of March, all right, and into April. Now the new links are represented in my descriptions. If you go before March of 2021, they're the old link, all right, so be careful of that. Done that for you. Go ahead and sign up for their Cherry Bomb email list. That's the one that we use. We get 5 emails a week. Mondays are motivational, and Tuesday through Friday are trade ideas. They come free from Tasty Trade, right? Not from me. Second step is if you want to subscribe to this channel, we're here for you. You hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Hey, I'm a small channel. Appreciate all the little help that you can give, whether it's giving me a like or subscribing or, whatever it is. Appreciate you. So you want to hit the bell as well. Reason why you want to ring the bell is because these options trades have time value. I see sometimes I get a lot of views on trades that were like months ago, which have long since expired. Hey, I appreciate the views always, but these are old trades, right? You want to get a fresh trade. You want to get it when they come out so you can get in these trades with us and manage them with us. So if this sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate your views. Big thumbs up to making it to the very end. And until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade, may the market be with you.